In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stickers to your Trello cards. Now, if you're looking to give your Trello boards a bit more personality, or perhaps organize them better with visual cues, stickers are a perfect tool for that. This quick and easy guide will walk you through the process so you can customize your workflow with minimal effort. First, let's navigate to your Trello board where you want to add these stickers. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the three dots icon. This icon is situated at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on it will reveal a menu with several options. Among those options, you'll find one labeled Stickers. Go ahead and click on Stickers to open up the sticker menu. When the sticker menu pops up, you'll be greeted with a delightful array of stickers. These stickers come in various designs and can be used to mark important cards, express ideas visually, or simply make your board more engaging and fun to work with. The Trello sticker library offers a variety of designs to suit different needs, from cheerful and motivational stickers to functional ones like check marks or priority indicators. But that's not all. Trello also gives you the flexibility to upload your own custom stickers, allowing you to personalize your boards even further. Whether you have a brand logo you want to incorporate or specific visuals that match your current project, the option to use custom stickers adds a wonderful layer of customization to your workflow. Once you've decided on the sticker, adding it to a card is as simple as drag and drop. Just click on the sticker you want and drag it over to the Trello card where you'd like to place it. Release it over the card, and just like that, it's added. You can add as many stickers as you like, making it a versatile tool for labeling and organizing content on your boards. And there you have it. Adding stickers to your Trello cards is a straightforward process that not only enhances the visual appeal of your Trello boards, but also significantly aids in organizing and identifying tasks at a glance. Whether you're working on a collaborative project with team members or managing a personal to-do list, stickers can enhance your productivity and make using Trello even more enjoyable. This concludes our tutorial on adding stickers to Trello cards. It's a simple yet powerful way to bring more clarity and personality to your board. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing with Trello.